Today we're going to be visiting 2 commercial projects. On these projects we want to make sure that the covering is good, the spraying, the finishing on the windows and walls is good. So let's get rolling. So the project we're heading on right now is a big commercial job. We have heavy equipment that we're using on that one. Yesterday they were spraying primer. I want to see how that turned out. And today they're going to be spraying some finish using elastomeric. As you guys can see on these windows, they look like they have been sprayed over. But we actually use a liquid masking, and what the liquid masking does is it actually removes pretty easy after it's painted. And you guys can see on these windows we already started removing the liquid masking, and it's coming along pretty good. Okay, we have a finished wall here, and it looks like the guys did a pretty good job. I'm gonna check on the masking. It looks like we covered the requirements, but I want to make sure the lines are good underneath. And yeah, it looks pretty good. So that's great. That's a straight line. That's what we want. So while we're here, they also want us to paint these stairs. And so the process that we're gonna be doing is we're going to be applying some rust destroyer because there is some areas that have kind of heavy rust already. So we want to take care of that before we paint. And for the finish, we're just going to be using the direct to metal DTM product, and that should take care of the finish. The guys seems to have everything they need on this project. The equipment is working properly. The finish is coming along just fine. So we're going to be heading to the next job. So the next project we're visiting today, we started that project as small. We were supposed to do only one wall, and now we're doing the whole building. Actually, it's a pretty good size school. So on this project, as you can see, we are also using the liquid masking. And on top of the liquid masking, we already have done the priming. And this actually, it looks like a sample of the finish coat that is going to be applied on the windows. This building, we used to have big cracks on the stucco. And so one thing we did to those big cracks is use the polyurethane filler and then use the stucco patch on top, and they look pretty good. One of the important parts of this project is the weather seal on the windows. And the product that we're using is the elastomeric caulking, and you guys can see the difference. So as you can see, this wall behind me is one of the walls that has been completed, and it used to have tons of cracks on it. and it looks pretty good now. So everything is going well on this project. The guys are doing well. They're also following safety precautions, working on the scaffold. I'm gonna be finishing my day back in the office. Thanks for rolling with me today, and I will see you next time.